Hi everybody, I am glad to see you on Motoreplika channel. My name is Vladimir, I am from Ukraine, and by the way, Motoreplika is official name and all rights reserved by the patent. Our work is restoration of old motorbikes and making new details for rare bikes. So if you need good quality details or you need good quality restoration, just contact us. All information will be under this video. We have one official number with all messengers on it, like WhatsApp, Viber and Telegram. Also we have YouTube channel and our official website Motoreplika.com. Facebook, Instagram we have too, and the name is similar. Our work is restoration of old bikes and making new details for old bikes. So if you need good quality details for your lovely old bikes, old-timer bikes, so you can contact us and buy everything you need. And by the way, we deliver details all over the world except Russia. Today we will speak about rare bike named M-72 1957 Kiev factory. Here it is. Our friends from Czech Republic wants us to make this video. They couldn't take off back wing, so they called us and asked us to help them. A few words about this bike. I think it's the most rare bike in series M72 motorcycles. It has unique short lever front fork. Давай посмотрим переднюю вилку. Short lever front fork. This model was made only 2 years from 1956 till 1958 and was intermediate model to K750. This model like 70 to 30%, where 30% from old model and 30% to new model. New concept, new. Spare parts are front fork, wing. You can see this front wing, it's not like on all M72 series. Wheels, tank and so on. So let's speak about taking off back wing. First, what you need to do is to put bike on a central stand. Please be careful, it's very heavy, take somebody to help you. Second, what you need is to take off electric cable from the rear marker light. Just like an example, here is rear marker light. Here is electric cable. You see these holes on the wing. You should take off the electric cable and put it under the seat. Third, take off two nuts, one and another, by bugle wing or wing brackets. Then spread the bracket and remove it from the lower pins and lift and lock the wing part. I will show you. I will take off two nuts. Here you are. Don't forget to fix it, because you will have a headache. First, we need to take off back wheel. Here it is. Take off the splint and loose the axle. The splint and the axle is here. We have no splint, but we have axle. Then release the axle tire bolt. Here is the axle tire bolt. And then we can, after this, we can take out the axle. Like this. And now we can take the back wheel. Here it is. Fifth, unscrew 4 bolts sparing the wing and trunk. Here is 1, 2, and 2 bolts from the trunk. I recommend you to take off first this. Second, this. And third, these bolts from the trunk. Be careful, because part of the wing can kick you. Opa. After this, you can take the wing, it's no problem. Then I recommend you to put it where you want, where it's comfortable, and then unscrew with the help of 4 bolts. You can unscrew the trunk. Don't forget to put back wheel back and take off the bike from the central stand, because it's harmful. It will be harmful for him to keep it for long. In next video we will speak about military side car for M72. We have a lot of new made details for it. By the way, you can write down everything you want to see on our YouTube channel. Everything you can write it in the comments. Sorry for my English, I haven't practiced for long. By the way, I want to say thank you for all countries that support Ukraine against Russian aggression. Russia, go to hell, we will win. Thank you very much. Subscribe the video, put like. See you later.